Strange wild creatures. Pangolin. Pangolins are truly bizarre creatures that look a bit like armored anteaters. In fact, another name for them is scaly anteaters. Pangolins are cute, with their beady eyes and big feet, and of course their habit of curling up into a ball when they're threatened. Aye. Madagascar is known for being home to a great many strange animals, most of which are found nowhere else in the world. One great example of this is the aye, with its bulging eyes, ever-growing teeth and long fingers. It can be very creepy looking. Their body and long tail are covered in coarse, shaggy black or dark brown fur with a layer of white guard hairs that helps them to blend into the surrounding forest in the dark. Capybara. Capybaras are the largest living rodents and are found across much of Latin America. The capybara is a very sociable animal that tends to inhabit densely vegetated areas close to water in herds of around 20 individuals. The capybara is a herbivorous animal that only eats plant. They are shy and associate in groups along the banks of lakes and rivers. Armadillo girdled lizard. We find it in northern and western Cape provinces of South Africa. This lizard is like a tiny dragon. This resemblance is especially pronounced when they roll themselves up to protect themselves from danger, the behavior that earned them their name. Magnificent frigatebird. Frigatebirds are a family of seabirds called Frigatidae, which are found across all tropical and subtropical oceans. Frigatebird has a long gray bill with a hooked tip. It has a deeply forked, scissor-like tail and sharply pointed wing. Frigate birds fly for months over the ocean and can engage in both regular sleep and use half their brain at a time to sleep during soaring or gliding flight. Sloths. Sloths are a group of arboreal neotropicals and arthropods mammals, constituting the suborder Folivora. Noted for their slowness of movement, they spend most of their lives hanging upside down in the trees of the tropical rainforests of South America and Central America. Sloths help the environment by eating leaves from trees, allowing sunlight into the rainforest. Velvet ants. The Mutilidae are a family of more than 7,000 species of wasps whose wingless females resemble large hairy ants. Their common name velvet ant refers to their dense pile of hair, which most often is bright scarlet or orange, but may also be black, white, silver, or gold. Blobfish. The smooth-head blobfish, also known simply as blobfish, is a deep-sea fish of the family Cycloludidae. It inhabits the deep waters off the coasts of mainland Australia and Tasmania, as well as the waters of New Zealand. Blobfish are typically shorter than 30 centimeters. Horned viper. This snake, commonly known as the Saharan horned viper or the desert horned viper, is a venomous species of viper native to the deserts of northern Africa and parts of the Arabian Peninsula and Levant. The horned viper is a poisonous snake that is active at dusk and during the night. When it buries itself in the sand, the sandy color of its body provides the perfect camouflage. Blood-squirting lizard. These lizards are distinguishable by the formidable crown of horns adorning their head and the numerous spines across their back. Their coloring can be yellowish, gray, or reddish-brown depending on the environment they inhabit. The short-horned lizard is a one-reptile wrecking crew with a bizarre self-defense strategy. When defending its own life, this lizard squirts blood from the thin blood vessels around its eyes that rupture under pressure.